Welcome to IK Garlic Shop, where we sell all kinds of kitchen accessories, home appliances, gas accessories, and electronics of all kinds. Today is another Friday with us, and we'll get to teach you how to use some of the wonderful electronics and appliances you get from us, so that when you get them, or if you already have them, you know how to use them, and so they'll be able to last for you much better and longer. Now, today here, we'll be teaching you on how to use your Hisense 7.5 kg manual washing machine. Now, this manual washing machine is different from the automatic. The major difference between the manual and the automatic is the automatic, you just put in your clothes, tell the machine what you want it to do for you. It's just like you automatically setting the program of what you want to do in that machine. And after telling it what it wants to do for you, it will wash, rinse. What you just need to come and do is to carry your clothes. It will wash the clothes, it will rinse it, and it will also dry it, and then you just come and carry it. But this manual one, the way it works is it will wash for you. After washing, you transfer it to this place, it will rinse it and then dry. So it's basically you are going to be the person to come and do it. The machine will not automatically carry the clothes and put inside here. You'll be the person to come and do it. Now, so let me teach you how you can use this wonderful Hisense 7.5 kg manual washing machine. The same way you use this washing machine is the same way you use other manual washing machine in different companies, whether Hisense, LG, Maxis, Camfrost, different products. You still use it the same pattern. Now, if you look closely here, you see that we have different programs lined up in this place. The first one here is the washing controller. It's telling you how long you can leave it. It's telling you it's up to 15 minutes. So once it's that 15 minutes, what you just need to do, if you want to wash it, if it's what you want to wash like 2 or 3 times, you can now turn it back to this place. You can return it back to this place. You understand? And then it will also wash it again. If you're not satisfied, you still on that spinner, which is this the wash, I mean to say, you put another 15 minutes, it will still continue to wash it. Now, this control here, this control you're seeing here is for your water inlet. Now, you know water comes into this place. Water comes into this place, into this the washing inlet, and water also comes into the spinning stroke, drying inlet. This place, water also comes into this place. Now, depending on which one you want water to come into first. If you want water to come into this washing inlet, this control will be in this place. That's when you've already connected it. When you put this here, when you put it here, you connect it to a water supply. You connect it to a water supply. So once this item is connected in this place, as I fixed it there, then you connect it to a water supply. So once the water supply is on, it will be entering into this place because it's in this wash. So if you want the water to enter to the spinning section, you turn it to this direction, and then on it, once it's in this spinning section, it will be entering inside this place. That's the work of this. Now, the work of this other one here, this one is the drain. Okay, no, this one is for the spinner. This is the drain. Now, there are if you look closely here, you will see drain, you will see standard, you will see gentle wash. Now, depending on the fabric, depending on the kind of clothes that is inside this wash, it's not every cloth that you leave it at a standard wash. Maybe if it's a cloth that is not so strong, the clothes are light, you want it to wash it gently, you put it in the gentle control. It will be in this gentle control. That's this gentle wash. Now, if it's a cloth that maybe is hard like jean, you can leave it as standard. Then when you're done washing, you want to drain the water out from the machine, you turn it to this drain. All the water inside will drain out. That's you're done washing, now you want to drain it out. All the water inside will drain out. Now for this other one here, this one is the spinning. This spinning, it's when you put it inside here, this is the same place you will be able to use to dry your clothes. And also, it's when it spins, it's not like it spins it to the point that the cloth is completely dry. But it will spin it to a point that when you just hang the clothes, if there is enough sun, it won't take time your clothes to dry. It will spin it in such a way, there are some fabrics, if you even put inside here, once it will spin it in such a way that once you want to press it immediately after spinning, you can still press it and get your clothes and wear your clothes immediately and go where you're going to. That's if you want to press it. Now, this is for the spinning. The spinning is up to 5 minutes. So you can spin twice, you can spin 2 times if you want, but once, spinning it once is okay. You don't need to spin 2 or 3 times. Once you spin it that once, it is okay. Now, let me show you how this other washing section works. Now, let me say I have my clothes inside this place. Let me say I have clothes I want to wash inside here, and I've added the water, I've added detergent. What I just need to do, like I said initially, and I've already on the tap, the water has entered into the wash inlet, then I on it. As you can see, it's spinning now. This is the way it was before. Once I on it, it will start spinning. So it will be spinning, it will be washing and spinning, washing and spinning, washing and, it's washing it till that 15 minutes elapsed. And then if you want to wash it the second time, you continue. Then let me say you're done washing it. You're done washing your clothes. You want to now dry the clothes. You bring out all these items. This one here is the leg of the machine. You put it under this machine, just to raise the machine up from the floor, so it won't be directly on the floor. So you put it under this the four legs. You put it under the washing machine. This one will help it to be above the floor, above the ground level. So once I put my clothes here, this spinning will not on even when this thing is open. It's like a safety measure. The spinner will not on until you're done putting your clothes and it is closed. Now, this cover here that is like a basket is something that helps the clothes not to purge out of the machine when it's spinning, because as it is spinning, it's spinning with speed. Now, I brought out my clothes that I just washed. I'm done washing, and I put it inside here. It's still foamy. There are two ways you can do it. You can either dry that cloth, allow the spinner to spin and dry the clothes. After drying it, then you now, maybe after drying it for like 2 minutes, then you now take this tap, take it to the spinning side. Water will start coming in, and then you close it. You put this, once you have this, you have it inside here too. Then you close it, close the machine, and then you start spinning. You start spinning. If you check it now, it's spinning. Let me off it so you'll be seeing what's going on. This one is so good that immediately you're offing this thing, immediately you're offing it and trying to open it, you just stop. This is like a safety measure. So once you're done putting your clothes inside here, you on it. Water is entering inside here. You can just allow the water. When the water enters, let me say this thing is at 5 minutes. You leave it at 5 minutes. When the thing is at this place, maybe that's 4, you can off the water that is entering into this place. The clothes must have been completely rinsed. Then till when it gets to 1, and then you can now remove the clothes and spread it. So that's all when it comes to using your 7.5 kg washing machine. I will do another video teaching you on how you can clean the manual machine, how you can clean it. How you can clean it is different from how you can use it. Now, this video is for those that want to learn how to use it. The manual machine is a very simple machine to use. It's not difficult. It's not hard. Now, this video is for those that want to learn how to use it. Now, I will teach you again on how to clean it. Thank you. That's all for today. See you next Friday.